Idol. Showcase natin si Spectral Warden. Kung gaano kalakas si Spectral Warden. GG. Lagay muna natin si Yuno para mag-dev. Lagay natin to si Bloomer para mabilis ang pera, si Pink Rockstar, si Stage Diva. Ito max lang natin si Bloomer, mabilis ang max lang. Next. Okay na si Stage Diva, no? Bilis lang to si Stage Diva. Max na, delete na natin si Yuno. Spectral Warden, labas. Tapos auto natin yung yung resolution, tsaka open natin yung skill. GG. +1 -1 lang natin. Idol Spectral Warden, level 1, upgrade 1, 69k, upgrade 2, 118. Death Balls yung skill niya, Death Balls. Upgrade 3, 146k. Ito upgrade 4, 158k. Next skill, Black Death Ball. Check. Boom. May kulay lang nilagyan lang ng kulay awit. Next skill niya, upgrade 8, 9, Deadly Whole Beam. 479k. Ang sakit, no? Check. Level 10, 492. Level 11, 520. Ayun lang yung skill niya. Tatlo lang. Hell Beam. Passive pa niya, idol, is nagsusomon pa siya ng alien. Ayun, every 30 seconds, the Abyssal Warden calls forth creature of the Abyss infused with 200% of the Warden current damage. So, current damage, ibig sabihin, damage build talaga siya. The current creature grows stronger as the Warden harvests the soul of its victim, gaining an additional 2% health for every soul, consume up to maximum of 500%. So, ganun kalakas si Spectral Warden. Nice Idol. Check natin yung summon niya. $13.9. 1M ba yan? 1M nga, idol. 1.3 yung summon niya, 1.3. So yun lang, idol. Nice G. Sana nagustuhan niyo si Warden.